First you take U-Bet, but we don't have U-Bet in Canada. And you put some chocolate in. And you put some chocolate in. And then you go back to the fridge to get the milk that you forgot. Then you add a bit of milk, about the same height as the chocolate. Probably just too much milk there. Then, this is the best part, what makes it an egg cream.
Ooh.
There's no alcohol in it?
No. Mel's very disappointed.
What makes it
There
an
could
egg cream is the top.
Seems a little
It looks
Nothing to do with eggs.
That has nothing to do with eggs. It has everything
exactly?
to do with when you whip milk. When you whip eggs. And that's an egg cream.
Ooh.